So many teams still use whiteboards, maps, paper lists, spreadsheets. Why does that seem to work until the pressure rises?
Well, people have been doing this for a long time, and most of the time it works well. You have a sense of things are in order, but then you have an illusion of control. Because when you lay your information in Excel sheets or on paper, there's no single source of truth. You have a problem if there are changes. If there comes a new residence area or if a road is altered, then yeah, it's not on the maps. And if you want to do an update, it's really complicated because you have to update all those paper maps and get the right versions to the right driver to get the work done. Yeah, that doesn't really work well.
So how can you make that process more reliable?
Well, what you see is with Joule, you can really store information in a digital map. And the digital map knows you can put in all the details that are relevant for the execution. And in that way, you can present the driver with a constant updated system. So even with minor changes, like a road that has been rerouted or stuff like that, it's clear because it's in the route. And it's also possible to give a route to another driver who's unexperienced in that area because he gets the same information that he needs to do the work.
Can you elaborate a little bit more on the collaboration between drivers and how does that work?
Well, most of the time you have a planning. In the morning, everyone starts with his own route. But during the day, you see the progress. And when you see the progress, it might happen that some drivers get a delay, maybe technical reasons, or maybe because the amount of waste is much higher than expected. And then you need to operate on that. You need to act on that, and you need to see how drivers can help each other. They do it from themselves already. They are really in a modus to help each other, but it's not coordinated. With Joule, you can coordinate it. You can really say, okay, driver A has delays, then driver B should help him. And what we can do is open up the route and invite a colleague into the same route. They see their progress, they see each other, and together they can finish the work in that route. And that makes it really easy.